Hello everyone, greetings from JoyLot.com. Today we'll be taking a look at these Gucci sunglasses model GG1221S in color code 002. The color of the frame is brown and the lenses are red. And these glasses are a rimless rectangular shape. On its top right lens, you'll find the Gucci logo engraved in the lens. The temples are brown and gold. And you'll find the GG Gucci emblem on its temple and a red and blue colorway. This is the inside of the frame, and this is what you see when wearing the frame. These lenses are also UV protected. Inside its nose pads, you'll find the GG Gucci emblem in gold. And this is the other temple. On its inner right temple is the Gucci logo in gold, that it's made in Japan, and the serial number. On its inner left temple is the model number, color code, and dimensions of the frame. 56 is for its lens, 16 is for its bridge, and 140 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Gucci case, although color and style may vary. And on the inside of the case is the Gucci logo in gold. A Gucci dust bag, also with the Gucci logo. And a white and black Gucci cleaning cloth. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these frames or any of the frames, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com and have a joyful day.